Welcome to the video, a little bit late this time. This is last week's signal results. I usually make these videos at weekend, but I had an injury and I've had a bad week, etc, etc. So I'm only just getting around to it now. And this was the first signal of the week. Where's my list? This was the, well, actually, we've missed some because I don't have the data on them. There was a BTC signal which happened over the weekend, which is why I don't have the data for it on TradingView. And that did a 4.31R. And here's the NASDAQ signal. Right here, did a 1.46R. So if you're not familiar with my strategy, you need to go and watch my video that tells you exactly what I'm doing here, how I mark out the zones, how I enter my trades. Or you need to get in the VIPs, where you'll get all of my coaching videos and all of my daily signals. And believe me, the VIPs are printing. I'd go as far as to say we've got the best results on TikTok out of any VIP group right now. And I put my money where my mouth is with that one, although I can't prove it. So anyway, A plus setup. We're clearly on a 5-minute uptrend. We formed a demand zone here. Prices made a new high and then come straight down in a straight line, reacted perfectly off the zone. And we've got in on the 5-minute candle close. And we did a 1.46R there. And the next trade was on the German 40, but this is another one that I can't give you any data on because I don't have it on here. We also did a trade on the euro, which I can't give you any data on here because I removed it. It was the German 40 did a 1.98R and the euro did a 1.25R. And then move on to the SP 500. So here's the SP 500 trade. Now, I believe this one was actually taken on the 30-minute time frame. So let's switch over to the 30M so I can show you the setup. Here we are on a clear, long uptrend that's been uptrending forever on the 30-minute chart, right? A little pullback there, and we've carried on uptrending. Made a new high. Here's our 30-minute demand zone with a beautiful level of liquidity right near it. And let's see how we came down into this zone now. This is the 30-minute time frame. Remember, we're looking at 30-minute candles. Boom, right down. Look at that. There we go. Bullish close. I believe we entered on the 5-minute or the 15-minute or something like that. We didn't wait for this 30M to close because it was just reacting. And yeah, this did a 1.7R, but it's quite a big stop loss since we're trading the 30-minute. So it's actually quite a lot of pips on the SP. 106 pips. That's a huge move on the SP. Gold, comparable, like a similar size move on gold would probably be around 300 pips. So it's a pretty big move. The next was on the NASDAQ. Might have gone past it, but let's have a look. Right, here we are coming up to the NASDAQ signal. We're clearly on a 5-minute uptrend. This one was taken on the 5M. Here we go. Our demand zones formed. Was that it? That could have been it. Oh no, this is it. This is the entry. We faded that one. I remember this now. It was on New York Open. We managed to fade that. I was feeling the FOMO up here. But it, it didn't touch the zone, did it? And then, yeah, I got rewarded for my patience. We got a way better entry and absolutely printed on this. Just let it play out. There you go. TP. 2.8R that one did. And the last trade of the week was on the SP 500. Quite close to it, so I'll just let it play through. Demand zone formed. We're on a clear 5-minute uptrend. Zoom out so you can actually see the move, how it sets up. And here we go, straight down into the zone. Bullish reaction. There we go. That's where we entered the trade. And this one absolutely printed. Took a while. There you go. 3R. So in total, we did a 64% win rate. There was 11 signals given, 4 losers, I believe, and a total potential RR of 12.55, although obviously nobody's going to do anywhere near that. But yeah, there you go. So if you want to join the VIPs, you need to send me a DM on Telegram, and we'll get you in. It's free, by the way. I've got nothing to sell you, no courses. Anyway, take care, everyone. Goodbye.